the story of this strange cottage. Some people told, you are a tree or you are a cottage. I tell a tree. They told, so what is this roof? I tell, for your umbrella in a sunny day. Some people told, they were written. I tell our stories. Some people told, what stories? I tell those written on the trunk, the stories of your happiness, of your sorrows, of your lovers, and of your missing. Some people told why they were written here. I tell they were written exactly in a sunny day like today, and exactly by people like you. In such a moment, usually people become clumsy and leave their chucks here. And he also forgot his chuck to carry. That is why all days the work of the cottage is to read the words and count the chucks. That is why all days the work of the cottage is to read the words and count the chucks. Days passed. The leaves grew and the leaves fell again. Days passed. The leaves grew and the leaves fell again. After many days, I myself, Sara, went to ask, dear tree, how are you? But I found the cottage wrapped up with many ropes. It seems the tree would be in rest, as there will be no people anymore and no trucks for counting. It seems the tree would be in rest, as there will be no people anymore and no trucks for counting.